Hi, fifth grade. I wanted to come on here and make sure that everybody knew what they were supposed to do on Monday and Tuesday. So on Friday, you should have done these two things. You should have worked on your study island, text evidence, your test. You should have taken it, and you should have done IXLH 2 and 3. On Monday, you will work on study island, and you'll work on drawing inferences. This is a practice assignment, meaning that you can take this as many times as you want to show me that you are putting an effort to get a good grade. On paper, you're going to reread Eruption, Volcanoes, and Saving Lives in your reading book, and you're going to complete the eruption quiz. Your eruption quiz looks like this. It is 5 questions. It is in your packet. Okay, so this is in your packet. It says the title of your text and selection quiz module 3. You're going to answer the questions based on your text. Use your test taking strategies, process of elimination, go back in your text and look for things. After this, there's a ReadWorks in your packet. So it's called the American Civil War. It is on paper. If you get a question that has you write short answer, you have to write in complete sentences and provide text evidence where you can. Okay, so that's all for Monday. You do these 3 things. These 2 things are in your packet. Okay, so I'm going to highlight those orange. So this is in your packet. The only thing you're getting online for is this. Okay, and as long as you're showing me effort, I can see your work online. You do not have to upload a screenshot to Canvas for any of this. Okay, you're doing these in your packet and you're doing this online, and you bring your packet to me back when we come back to school. Okay, on Tuesday, you're going to log into Study Island. You're going to do academic language and vocabulary. Again, this is another practice assignment. So you can take it as many times as you would like to show me that you're putting in effort to get the grade that you want. You do not have to upload a screenshot to Canvas. I will see your work online. The next thing you'll do is Module 3, Week 1 assessment. You're going to complete the whole thing. We will be checking it when you get back. Okay, so it looks like this. This. It's called Rachel Carson's World of Wonder. So you're going to read. Okay, and then you get your questions. Okay, you should be able to do this. Okay, I do want to go over this one. How does the section Rachel discovers her love of science fit into the overall structure of this article? So you're going to have to go back up here and find this section. So you're going to find this heading up here, read it, okay, read it again, and decide how this section, how it fits into how this paragraph is structured, okay? How do these paragraphs go with this? Does it add information that might be important to the structure of your paragraph? You write and complete sentences, and you use details from the article to support your answer. Do your best, okay? Just do your best. Okay, you should be able to do this one. Okay, remember your text structures, cause and effect. So, because coral reefs are dying, the effect of that is, or let's do it this way. Because people are not recycling, the effect of that is coral reefs are dying. And then you have sequence of events. This is your chronological order from first to last. So things go in order. Problem and solution. You have a problem and you explain how to solve it. Compare and contrast. You tell what is similar and what is different. Okay, I did want to go over this too. So on this part, this is your grammar. So you're going to read. It's going to ask you to make changes, okay? And you're going to get some questions about direct objects, okay? So it says, how should sentences 4 and 5 be combined to create a compound direct object? So direct object is, it's not the noun of your sentence, but it's another object in your sentence that your verb is referring to, okay? So for example, sentences 4 and 5, she cleans the room that the penguins live in. She also cleans the passage that leads to the outdoor area. So she, that would be your noun, right? This would be your noun. Let me see if I'm going to do this as best as I can. So this is your noun, okay? What does she do? She cleans, okay? So this is your verb. Let's see, I've not used this ever down here before. So we're just going to do the best that we can. So we have our noun up here. We have our verb up here. So now we have to decide, what is my verb referring to? She cleans the room that penguins live in. So the noun that this verb is referring to is the room. So this would be my DO, my direct object, because my verb is referring to it. Okay, let's look at 5. She also cleans the passage that leads to the outdoor area. So she, again, is my noun. What is she doing? She's cleaning. So this makes it my verb, right? And then what is she cleaning? What? Noun, the passage. So this is my DO. Passage is my DO. So this question is asking you, how can you combine these two sentences, creating a compound direct object, okay? So by creating a sentence that has two direct objects. So let's see here. She cleans the room that the penguins live in, and she also cleans the passage that leads to the outdoor area. She cleans the room that the penguins live in and also washes the passage that leads to the outdoor area. Does it say washes up here? No. So okay, she cleans the room that the penguins live in and scrubs the passage. Does it say she scrubs it? No. So let's look at D. She cleans the room that the penguins live in and the passage that leads to their outdoor area. So we're between these. Okay, now if I were to use this one up here, she cleans the passage that the penguins live in, and she also cleans the passage that leads to the outdoor area. Both of these sides are complete sentences. Okay, so this is a big old run-on sentence. Okay, so that's not punctuated correctly. So it has to be D. She cleans the room that the penguins live in and the passage that leads to their outdoor area. So now we have a noun. Now we have a verb. What does she clean? She cleans the room. That's my first direct object. And I don't have another verb, but she still cleans the passage too. So this makes it a DO, a direct object. So now I have a compound direct object, and that's what my sentence is asking for. Okay. All right, let's look down here. You should be able to do that. Okay, so this one says, where should the direct object, the penguins, be placed in the sentence? So again, we have our noun, which is she, right? So she, what does she do? She describes, that's the verb. So we're asking, where should the penguins be put in this sentence? Okay, so you're going to plug and chug. All right, so after this, after you're done with this, you've done this online, you're good to go. You've done this is on paper, so I'm going to highlight that again orange. After you've done all this, and after you have all this done, after your packet is all finished, after you've done everything online, you are good to go. You don't have to upload anything to Canvas, because you're going to bring me your packet back Monday, and I can see your work, okay, online that you're doing on Study Island. So you're awesome. I'm so thankful for you. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. I will be on Zoom on on Monday and Tuesday. So that's 11, 20, and 21. I will be on Zoom from 8 o'clock to 8:30 a.m. I will be sending out a link. So if you have any questions, you can join the Zoom and ask me. Okay, I think that is it. Thanks so much and have a great day.